Today we are going to design this post, or you can say a banner, in Photoshop. And if you are a beginner, you can also watch this video because I will tell you everything step by step. And also you can download my all the images free, link in the description below. So what we are waiting for? Let's open Photoshop. Before that, you have to subscribe this channel and also like this video. This will help me a lot, guys. These kind of videos, tutorials take too much time to make. Please subscribe and like.
So here we are in Photoshop and you can see I have created this design already. So let's start. So go to file and click on new. Here you need to choose a size. So I'll choose 1080 by 1080 because this is the best size for social media. And resolution 300. And this will be pixels. Then click on this create. Now here we need to give design which is there in background. So first of all, we need to make a center alignment. So press Ctrl R on your keyboard, then drag this ruler in the center. So when you comes to center, the ruler will be snapped automatically like this. So just we need to focus on this ruler which is in the middle. Now select pen tool and click on this shape. So zoom in little bit and press A on your keyboard to select this anchor point. Press P, click on this again, this anchor point, come down and merge this. Now we don't need a stroke, so close it and open fill by any color. Now you can hide your rulers, so press Ctrl H. Then select this layer, press Ctrl J, Ctrl T, right click, and first of all you can click on this here. This, like, the anchor point will be here for transform. So right click and click on this flip horizontal. Now hit enter and you can choose blue color like this. Now take a background which will be black color like this. So we can put them little bit down. Select this yellow layer, press Ctrl J, then press Ctrl T, press Alt and drag this anchor point here in the middle of the shape like this, and just rotate your shape like that. Yeah, that's it. Now double click on the shape and choose white color and then drag this layer below the yellow shape like this. Now you need to press A on your keyboard. Now select this layer, press Ctrl J, Ctrl T, right click and flip horizontal and put it here. Now let's give a gradient here. So in this background I have already given too much time to choose a gradient, so I'll just copy the gradient from here. So this is my gradient. Come to your shape, go to effects and gradient overlay, and here is our gradient. Hit OK. Now let's copy the blue gradient. Now select rectangle tool and create a rectangle like this. Then copy the background gradient, this yellow gradient. Right click, copy layer style. Select move tool and come to this layer. Right click and paste layer style. Now you need to give different gradient position. So click on this gradient overlay and click on this angle. Then hit OK. Then you need to give a stroke here. So press A, then come to this black point and click on this white color. Now you can give stroke size 3. Select move tool, press Ctrl T and rotate it. Now double click on the gradient and click on this reverse. Now press Ctrl J
and move this shape here. Click on this gradient overlay again and put it here. Hit OK. Now come to this layer, click on this mask and press B, right click. Size can be like this and hardness should be 0. Click on this mask, make sure here is black color and just one click like this and come to this rectangle, mask and remove a little bit from here like this. Perfect. Now we can copy these two, press Ctrl J, Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal and put them here like this. Now you can change the gradient, so just come to this blue gradient, right click on the layer, copy layer style, come to this shape, right click, paste layer style. I need to double click on the gradient to little bit modify them like this, or we can choose reverse. I guess this is fine. Hit OK. Come to this rectangle and right click, paste layer style. Yeah, perfect. Now this is fine. Now we need to give a pattern in the background, just like given here, like this circle in the background. So where we can download these thing, like you can download on FreePic if you search background, so you will get lot of file on FreePic website. So for that file you need to install Illustrator in your system, because FreePic only give EPS file mostly. I guess you understand. So like here I have already done this in Illustrator, so just save it here, put it here and like this. Now you need to put this layer only above the yellow gradient, like here above only this layer. Click on normal and click on this subtract. Yeah, fine. Or we can choose like this, little bit large. Yeah, so we can create a mask on this pattern, so press P and remove it from here, little bit like this, decrease opacity, so that will be like this. Yeah, perfect. Now we can put here our images, so where you can download the images, yeah, like this. Put this image above all the shapes, then come to this blue gradient, so just copy the pattern, this circle pattern, press Ctrl Alt and drag it here, press Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal and yeah, perfect. Now put this duplicate pattern above only this blue layer, so only then it will be visible, because we have chosen subtract layer style. So now it is visible. Perfect. Now we can put our image. So yeah, here we have our two images, and I know guys these images are different because we are doing here this IPL, this post, but this one player wearing another dress. So I know that you will get lot of images on the internet, you can download from internet or you can use the same. So now our images are fine. So yeah, this looks fine now. So we need to create another shape, so just click on this paint tool and create a shape like this and decrease the stroke, open fill by white color I guess, and we need to give a gradient here same as this yellow gradient. Right click, copy layer style, come to this layer and paste it here. Yeah, like this. And I guess we need a stroke here a little bit. So just press A and select white. Give here 3. Yeah, 3 is fine. Perfect. Same for this. Same method for this blue part. Yeah. Select the background first of all. Copy layer style and paste layer style. Yeah, like this. Press Ctrl R to see the height of the shapes. So this blue height of the shape, like we can align them like this. Press Ctrl H to hide. Now we need to give a logo here for the team, like this I have given here. Like you can download the images from the internet. I have already downloaded. So these very common images you can find on internet. Now we need to put them little bit down, these shapes like this, and perfect, we can put them here. And we need to give a sign versus. So I have already downloaded. So where you can download these things like versus, you can download from free pick. If you search VS, so you will get a lot of file on free pick, but for that you need a Illustrator in your system. Then you can copy this VS and paste it in directly into Photoshop from Illustrator. Like already I have done this. I have no such battery to open Illustrator and do it like that. Now we can little bit dark this little bit more. Yeah, like this. This IPL also you can download from the internet, very common, and you can write these text by your own. These text very simple. So just I am putting them here like this, and this background we can little bit dark blue like this. Yeah. Now select all the text and center align them. So like this we have created, but we need to give a touch here, final touch. So just we need to see these thing. Press Ctrl T, we can small them. Perfect. So here we have done this post. I hope you liked it, but I'll tell you one thing, just ignore these images because these images are from different matches. This is Rohit Sharma and this is this dress from T20 and this is MS Dhoni. So this is from IPL team. So if you want more tutorial like this, so just check out my playlist because I have uploaded too many videos like this. So I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.